Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Chandigarh. So let us discuss each and every job opening mentioned here. So firstly, there is a job opening for Senior Manager Performance Marketing. It is from Just Herbs. So they are looking for a full funnel performance marketer with a proven track record of building, managing and executing or overseeing performance marketing campaigns from scratch and driving revenues month on month. So you'll be someone who will own the performance marketing for the brand to drive revenues on the D2C website, working with both internal and external teams, and adapt at scaling campaigns via multiple platforms such as Google search and display ads, as well Facebook ads, Snapchat ads, OTT platform ads, ad exchanges like VServe, Comly, Tyro, Affle, Resultrix, and Chakra, DSPs like DV360, MIQ, InMobi, Revex, content platforms like Taboola, Outbrain, remarketing platforms like Criteo, AdRoll, etc. And you need to develop, test, and optimize marketing funnels, track progress, and report it to the founders on a regular basis, and mentor a team and set processes and dashboards for monitoring KPIs. So these are the responsibilities and all the details here for this position. So if you are looking for this type of job position, it will be good opportunity. So I have provided the link in the description about this senior manager position, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for technical lead visualization. So it is from Emerson Automation Solutions. So it will be a full-time job as associate. So this role consists of customer relationship management, delivery management, and people management. So let us discuss about the responsibilities. Providing technical and administrative support on various visualization tools, especially Power BI, and coordination with the various stakeholders and the intra-teams for day-to-day activity, ensuring that all the tickets or jobs should meet the predefined SLAs as per quality parameters, and interacting with the business users for understanding and formulating functional requirements, and working with the project managers and various stakeholders for assistance in project management like project implementations, and effective and efficient communication to user community. And this role is to cater global customers and CXO level executives for reporting requirements, and should be able to maintain active communication with the functional team in identifying process, report needs and data gaps, and good team player and possess leadership skills and quick learner and adaptable. So these are the responsibilities. Next, coming to skills and experience required. Like you should be having 8 to 14 years of relevant experience with BI reporting and visualization tools, and you should be expertise in Power BI and Taboola with analytical approach, and building Power BI solutions with Azure, accessing an Azure Synapse workspace. So you should be able to model and develop Power BI dashboards and reports. So you need to manage a team of 10 members working on various deliverables, and able to coach, mentor, and train fellow team members on technology stack. So we can check here with the rest of the skills and like requirements mentioned here. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. There is a job opening for immigration consultant position. This from Wazir Group. So they are looking for an immigration consultant for FSWP or EES or PNP with an experience in the immigration industry for their Chandigarh branch. So interested candidates for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is recruitment@wazirgroup.com. Next one, there is a job opening for customer service manager. It is from Bossway. It will be a full-time job as a mid-senior level. So here we will discuss about the experience details. Like you should be having board experience in a customer-facing service-oriented role within an ICT environment, and you should be having experience of working in a global matrix organization with geographically distributed teams is an advantage, and you can confidently interact with customers and partners at all levels, identify sales opportunities and influence customer buying decisions, shows awareness of the value of developing contacts as a way of identifying potential business leads, and you should be having experience of acting as the single point of contact and escalation management point for external contacts, and also experience of working with the support management systems such as IT, SAM and ServiceNow. So you can also check here with the other responsibilities and the requirements mentioned here. Coming to education qualification details, it will be bachelor's or master's degree, and ITIL foundation is an added advantage, and you should be having 5 years of minimum experience, and also experience in continuous business improvement and value creation for the customer, and strong written and verbal communication skills in English. So these are the skills and the experience and educational details. So interested candidates, please go through with all the details mentioned here. If you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for ad manager for digital marketing. So it is from Agat. So coming to responsibilities, you need to plan and execute profitable ad campaigns on Google, YouTube, LinkedIn and FB, and you need to measure and report performance of all digital marketing campaigns and assess against goals, ROI and KPIs, identify trends and insights and optimize spend and performance based on the insights, brainstorm new and creative growth strategies, plan, execute and measure experiments and conversion tests, and collaborate with internal teams to create landing pages and optimize the user experience. Coming to requirements, you should be having proven working experience of minimum 3 years in running successful ads across various platforms, and you should be having demonstrable experience leading and managing successful ad campaigns, and also optimizing landing pages and user funnels, and with experience with the A by B and multivariate experiments, and you should be having solid knowledge of website analytics tools and also working knowledge of ad serving tools. So you can also check here with all the details mentioned here. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing automation specialist. So it is for US shift. It is from Zscaler. Like it will be a full-time job as associate. Let us discuss about the qualifications mentioned here. Such as you should be having 2 to 5 years of experience in similar role, and expert marketing automation skills on any platform is required, like Marketo, Elaqua, HubSpot and Pardot, and you should be having strong understanding of demand generation and campaign management, and intermediate to expert CRM administration skills, preferably Salesforce.com, and also business workflow should be there, and can test and analyze workflow, content, lead scoring and tactics for improvement, and keeps the lead flow highway efficiently moving between the MA and CRM platforms, and you should be having exceptional communication and ability to ensure a high level of accuracy despite deadline pressure. So the shift timings will be permanent US shift. So can also take here with the other qualifications mentioned here. So coming to responsibilities, you need to configure, test and launch solutions within the tool, including developing emails, landing pages, building automated campaigns, reporting and list segmentation, day-to-day tool and CRM management, whole lead flow process, and managing reporting, analytics, lead database within the tool, and continuously evaluate and suggest improvements for solutions and process, and monitor the uses of the tool to ensure business rules are being adhered to, and work with the key users to enable them to expand their knowledge and use of the system, and also campaign management. So make sure, like, ensure that best practices are being followed to achieve maximum efficiency. So these are the responsibilities. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this job role, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for Solution Analyst HighJump. It is from Oceaneering. So let us discuss about the duties and responsibilities mentioned here. Troubleshoot business and operational issues associated with the inventory and manufacturing systems integrated with HighJump, PeopleSoft and Oceaneering, other internally developed solutions, and you need to manage and work customer entered help desk tickets and quantify issues and provide supporting data if issues are escalated to the application and the hardware vendors, and you need to maintain HighJump software and hardware environments and migrations of configurations between environments, configurations of new hardware, that is tablets, scanners, label printers, and also you need to manage the WMS environments and migration of configurations between environments, and also translate business requirements into technical design documents using Microsoft Word and Excel. So these are the duties and responsibilities. Next, coming to qualifications required, bachelor's degree or master's degree in computer science or equivalent is required, and must be fluent in speaking and writing English, and also 3 to 5 years of experience working with the PeopleSoft Financials or other ERP tools, and understanding of accounts and ledger, SQL knowledge to read and write queries, and MS Office products experience is required. So coming to desired skills, supply chain and distribution industry knowledge and experience is required, and also like warehouse management systems, especially HighJump, experience is a plus. Labeling software administration, that is bartender or software experience is a plus, and barcode scanning and RF hardware, this experience is also required, and also you should be having experience with the network operating systems, wireless hardware configuration and setup, and reporting application tools are a plus, and also HighJump software advantage platform and advantage applications is a plus. So and also middleware technologies and interface technologies, that is XML, JSON, etc. Knowledge and experience is a plus. So interested candidates, if you have these desired skills and the qualifications mentioned here, and if you are interested to apply for this position, then you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for MDM consultant. It is from Preciously Trust in Data. Like, it will be a full-time job as associate. And coming to responsibilities, you will lead teams in the implementation of EnterWorks solutions on customer projects, and install, configure and optimize the EnterWorks installations in both hosted cloud environments and as well as on-premise, and deliver project tasks and implementations within the allocated project plan, time and budget. And you need to build a trusted relationship with their customers and collaborate cohesively with internal team members, and also you need to design proof of concept solutions as part of the sales and sales cycles, and deliver online and in-person product demonstrations. So these are the responsibilities, and the qualifications you have, that will be like, you should be having 6 to 7 years of experience in developing and implementing technical solutions as per diverse business use cases in master data management is required, And also you should be having hands-on experience with databases like MS SQL, MDM solutions and their implementation required. And you have proven ability to effectively lead technical consulting engagements across large customer facing business solution projects using industry standard practices, and you have strong software customization skills with the ability and business acumen to exercise judgment in selecting methods and solutions for client needs, and you have been ability to understand the impact of technology on business challenges, processes and efficiency, and you have demonstrated ability to explain benefits of a technical project or solution to a client in relation to the client's business needs. So these are the qualification details. So if you want to know more detailed information and also to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening from Xerox. So they are hiring for team leader operations, like print, mail, scan production associate position. So for this position, you should be having 6 to 12 years of experience, like 2 years as a team leader or similar role should be there. So coming to technical skills, you should be having knowledge in MS Suite, that is Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and also presentation skills, quality certification, TQM, Six Sigma lean management, and also exposure in leading L&D function. So coming to educational requirement, graduation is required or else post-graduation in commerce, management or other related fields, and also MBA or diploma in people management is also preferred. Next one, coming to other requirements, backend non-voice process team management skills are required, and also strong communication and influencing skills, can multitask and ready to work in rotational shifts and leading quality improvement function and handling international clients communication and management, accounting procedures, knowledge of data validation, other languages like regional and international languages should be known. Like coming to job responsibilities, you need to manage the team of process associates and ensure service level agreements and KPIs are constantly met, leading continuous quality improvements and initiatives for business growth, enabling team members with skills to improve their morale, product knowledge and communication skills, good communication skills both written and verbal, formulate strategic and operational objectives, help the organization's processes remain legally compliant, and liaison with the cross-functional teams or department to draft processes or procedures, and identify areas of improvement and take necessary action, train new employees on company standards and procedures from how to handle a negative customer experience to how to properly interact with the clients, optimum leave management to ensure self and team members work-life balance, and excellent in drafting operational SOPs in line with the ISO requirements, and experience in handling international businesses and clients, and should have been in a role which involves a direct client interaction, both verbal and written. So these are the job responsibilities and the qualifications and the requirements. So please check with all the details mentioned here. If you are suitable to apply for this position, I have provided the link in the. You can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there are openings available from Infosys. So they are hiring for AP server developer position. So the industry, the type will be information technology and services, and it will be a full-time position as entry level. So coming to responsibilities, as part of the Infosys delivery team, your primary role would be to interface with the client for quality assurance, issue resolution, and ensuring high customer satisfaction. And you will understand requirements, create and review designs, validate the architecture, and ensure high levels of service offerings to clients in the technology domain. And you will participate in project estimation, provide inputs for solution delivery, conduct technical risk planning, perform code reviews and unit test plan reviews. and you should be having knowledge of more than one technology and basics of architecture and design fundamentals, and also knowledge of testing tools and also agile methodologies, and you should be having understanding of project life cycle activities and development and maintenance projects, and understanding of one or more estimation methodologies and knowledge of quality processes and basics of business domain to understand the business requirements, and analytical abilities, strong technical skills and good communication skills are required, and good understanding of the technology and domain. So these are the details like skills are mentioned here. Please go through with all the details mentioned here. If you want to apply for this job role, the link is given in the description to apply for this position, so you can go through with that.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.